Hi everybody, today my video will be a sweater for little dog, extra small little dog on the ADDI Pro. To beginning it, I will go with waste yarn for 5 rows. Get 5 rows, cut my yarn, put it in the middle, and I will start with my working yarn. Okay, so I use some white red card with love. And I will do, I forgot to put my counter to 0 like usual. So I will do a couple of rows like this. Now I will, with my crochet here, attach my work on those crochet. Okay, this, and I use the one that pop up, okay, in the middle. Push it down. If you could place it when your crochet is not too high, it's better. It's more easy. But sure, you have to lower your work after. See, this one will be the next one to be attached on the crochet. Don't go too fast. More than I've done. I continue. You will be able to make the same thing on the ADDI King. It will be a bigger sweater. I choose to use the ADDI Pro because my my son have a little dog, so it will fit to him. Like that. I'll show you another way. Well, now, for the feet, you will need a crochet number 3. Okay, you will remove it from the yarn feeder. You will go down like this, click, and then you get the stitches like this. Okay, do the second one. You will pick up like this. Okay, same thing for the third one. And the fourth one. And then you put this on the neighbor. Okay, and put it back in the yarn feeder. That is the place, the room for your first feet of the dog. Okay, now you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will do the same thing, not 4, 3. We will do the same thing on the fourth one. Okay, one, 2, 3, and 4. And again we take the loop and put it on the neighbor like this. Put your yarn in the yarn feeder again like that, and now you will turn it. Okay, now here your yarn is in front. You will do like when you cast, you put up in the back, in the front, in the back, in the front, and you put it back in the yarn feeder. Okay, here you will put this yarn under the red bum here. Okay, just like this. Now push it down, and we will do the same thing here, in the back, in the front, in the back, in the front. Okay, and you put the yarn under the red bum, put it back in the yarn feeder, and turn the machine. Make sure you don't lose any stitches, and you're good. So you have your 2 places for the feet. The stitches here and there, it's okay, I will fix it. I use a crochet number 4 and number 4. Put it on the crochet like this. So this one's fixed. I will go fix the other one. I do the same. I will start at the end, put the yarn over it like this. There. There's always a way to fix it. So if it happened to you, don't worry. And if it happened to you, it happened to somebody else too. So there's something, huh? That one too. Okay, and I take my hook and put it in. See, all my stitches are in now. So you continue like that for the size of your doggy. I will finish soon because I don't have a doggy to try it on, but at least you got the technique how to do it. Okay, at 45 I will stop. I stop here, close it. See, you got your jacket. A little bit imperfection here, but it was to show you how. So at least now you know how to make it. I will redo more, better one, and I will come back to you. I have to remove my yarn, waste yarn. Will give you a better idea of the work. just remove, and you got your little sweater. So have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe.